My name is Jeffrey Joseph. I study in Standard 10th in St. Francis DRCC High School, Borivali. I want to become a pilot, but I'm not very sure about it. Should I become a pilot after I complete my 12th? Or should I first assure my future with a degree and then study to become a pilot?
I am Memna from 10th B and I am from Froebels High School. I want to become a pilot. I want to join Air Force. I would like to take the help from them that which college I should join and which field for aeronautical engineering is good for me.
Well, one of the students wants to be a pilot but actually wants to know should he pursue this career right after 12 or after getting a degree.
Okay. First here, Jeffrey needs to take science because that's what the base would be the PCM score. Since he's in class 10, he can start with the SPL, that's a student private license, take a private pilot license and then go up to the CPL. To acquire a CPL, he will also need to do a 10+2 science. So that is one way, and then he goes through the ATPL route where he goes through that SPL, PPL, CPL and ATPL route. The other option is after his 10+2 PCM, he can even take up a BSc aviation degree. So that kind of would solve his confusion. Should I first take a basic degree and then pursue my pilot? So you're trying to combine both the things where he's pursuing a proper bachelor's degree and still pursuing his field of dream of becoming a pilot.
Well, Memna wants to again be a pilot and she wants to know the best college for aeronautical engineering.
Okay, and I think she wanted to join the Air Force too. There are routes of first getting into the Air Force. She won't be able to join after class 12 because after the possibility of a student becoming a pilot after class 12 is open only for the boys. For girls, they need to take up BSc Physics or Maths, so she has to go through the science route, take up the CDSC, that's a Combined Defence Services exam, and then she can go for a pilot's job in the Indian Air Force. Coming to the next question, she said, which is the best stream for me for aeronautical engineering? She should understand that aeronautical engineering by itself is a stream, a specialization. She has two routes to it. After a class 12, that's after taking up science, she can either take up the exams offered by the Aeronautical Societies of India, clear the level A, the level B, and then she can take up aeronautical engineering, or after a 10+2 science, she can appear for the entrance exam and take up aeronautical engineering by itself as a degree, like a chemical, mechanical. So she chooses the aeronautical stream and she studies. She can do it either in the IITs or Indian Institute of Aeronautical Engineering or National Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, either ways.
Okay.